today I am going to explain about the critical path. So that is nothing but a networking problem. So if you this we have taken this case study problem. So first, for example, if you want to start from the college, we have the number of there is a network out there. So like this network, we are going out from the 1 to 2. We have lot of networks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting from the 1, we are going to reach the 5 means we have the lot of networks. So just I have taken one case like the student house. They are first even. We have a lot of networks and also they have to cover a number of minutes cross. For example, if they are crossed the decimal, so all the let us see as a case. So student name is Jyoti Lakshmi is going to explain how to draw the network. Just introduce Maniko. Myself so Jyoti Lakshmi. Jyoti Lakshmi. So
diagram, duration diagram.
ಇದು slow ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So just there is a lot of nodes are there. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Just they are going to connect. 1, 4. You just see the node more. Then 1 to 3. You have to connect the network as 1 to 3. 3 to 5. Then 1 to 5. 6 is there. Then 5 to 6. Okay. So can you write the duration for these days? 1 to 2 means what is the duration? 1 to 2 now what is the duration ma? Then 1 to 3. Okay. 1 to 5. Okay. Then what is 3 to 6? There is another connections are there. 3 to 6. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. So from 3 to 5 it takes 5 minutes to cover the data. And 4 to 6, 7. 5 to 6 is 4. Okay. So just any so explain. Need.